Agenthon isn't just about brainstorming, it's about building. We are using Gemini Enterprise to create fully functional agents that can be deployed quickly in a secure enterprise environment.
At Google Warsaw Agenthon, we push the limits of what's possible with building AI agents that provides real business impact in just one day.
The AI technology has matured a lot over the past 2-3 years. The integrations are now seamless and the value is kind of immediate. We have new standards and new protocols. Standards like the Agent Development Kit. That's an open source library for building agents. And there is also protocols like agent-to-agent protocols. So your agents are able to speak with each other, to communicate with each other in a very secure way. There is also new ideas for the agentic economy like agent payment protocol. This will allow our agents to be authorized to do transactions on behalf of us.
Gemini Enterprise has significant impact on the way how Endava delivers the projects. It accelerates the process from design to delivery. It let us design agents that solve real business problems, integrates seamlessly, and show measurable value within days.
The ecosystem is ready, the technology is mature, the integrations are frictionless, and the value is immediate.